Hello everyone, Darin Martineau with ProMagicArt.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you a really cool coin vanish. Okay, and I'm going to teach you, actually I'm just going to teach you how to do this. You're going to take a piece of tin foil, okay, and you're going to press it with your fingers like this. You're going to take a quarter, okay, put it underneath and you're going to press it, making the indentation of it. Okay, then you're going to cut it around with scissors to make this little tinfoil shell. Okay, you're going to have this finger palmed in your left hand to begin with. You're going to say, let me show you a coin trick. You're going to reach in your pocket, you're going to pull out some change. Okay, and then you're going to pretend to take one of the coins. They're going to see one at your fingertips, and you're going to pretend to put it into your hand here. And all you're going to do is you're just going to do a fake take here. So they're going to see it, a flash of it like you took it, but you're going to put the change in your pocket. Okay, so we'll do that again. This is finger palm, the tinfoil fake quarter here. Finger palm. You're going to reach in your pocket, shake the change, and then you're going to put your thumb on one so it looks like you're taking it. Okay, and they see it come to the fingertips, and then you're going to do like a fake put. You really just don't do anything except for you're just going to go like this, right? They're going to see the change. Put your thumb on one, you're going to just go like this. It's really simple. Put the change in your pocket. Now they think this is a real coin because they just saw it. You're just going to show a flash of it. You're not going to show it too long here, okay? You're going to take the coin and you're going to visually, they're going to see it, you're going to visually take it, okay? And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be crumpling it up, okay, into a little tiny ball. And you're going to make the vanish. Look how clean it is. I mean, it's just completely vanished. And then you're just going to flick, and you're going to flick the thing away. That's going to flick it. So I hope you like that. That's just a very simple little coin vanish. Head over to ProMagicArt.com to see the premium magic. I have a whole bunch of top secret level stuff, over 700 tutorials. So subscribe today to get more free videos. Thank you.